You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this sound correctly. You've probably come across it in the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. But what does it sound like? Let's have a look at a few examples and hear it first. It's the sound of E. E. It's not the sound E. It's not a short E. It's an E. Let's have a look at a few words that contain this sound. Basically, this is the sound of the word it. It, okay? It's not eat. It's it. I like it. I like it. Another example is sit. A sentence would be I sit on the couch. E is the sound. A bin, as in a garbage bin, for example. E, again, bin. Sit, it. This is the sound E. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.